Dressing your hair up in a low bun is one of the most beginner-friendly ways you can put your hair up, but it often feels boring. So I'm gonna show you how to simply elevate your low bun hairstyle, but still keep it really, really simple. So we're not even gonna use any hair products today because again, I wanna keep this as simple as possible. And if you're a complete beginner, you're probably not familiar with hair products and maybe you're not ready to experiment with those. So we're literally just gonna use a 1¼ inch, I think this is a 1¼ inch barrel curling wand. You can use smaller, you can use bigger. I'm using this size because I don't really want a curl. I just want some movement in my hair, and the bigger, the less curl you're gonna get. But you can pick and choose your size based on the result that you want. And I'm gonna use a hair tie, and that's it. I am using a nylon seamless hair tie here. They're just like a little rolled bit of nylon. I get them on Amazon. You can find them at the dollar store. They're super stretchy and that makes them super gentle and also super easy to work with. So I'm gonna take some hair down at the front of my face. There's not like a specific amount. I just take it down until I feel like it's the right amount. I think that's the amount I want down. And then I'm just going to, I'm gonna leave a bit around my ears too, I think. I always just go with what feels like it looks right in the moment. I'm gonna comb everything back and down. I'm gonna leave my part. You can always comb it all back if you want to. I'm just using my fingers so it's a bit softer, less slick back feeling. If you use a brush, you're gonna get a bit more of a slick feeling, which is also fine if that's what you're going for, but I'm going for softer. Softer is also more forgiving. All right, and I'm gonna show you the rest from the back.
You're going to start by making your ponytail at first where you want your bun to be, and on your last pull you're only going to pull through halfway and use that tail to wrap around your hair tie. You'll have to wrap more if your hair is longer, less if your hair is shorter, and you just tuck it in at the bottom into the hair tie. Then I'm just going to pull apart the bun area itself to make it a little bit bigger. You can also fluff apart the part that you've wrapped around to make sure you've hidden the hair tie.
Now that the bun is done, I'm just going to take these bits of hair. Actually, I'm going to roll them towards my face today. You can roll them away, you can roll them towards. There's no real right or wrong answer here. Both ways are just going to give you a slightly different feel. When I roll towards, I get more of this lift, which I really enjoy. And when I roll away, I get a bit more of a sweep of a look, a more bangy look, which I also like. So I do both ways. Doing it on the bad side always looks weird, but we're gonna trust the process here. Okay, and pull that out because it's not going to be curled, it's just going to be like a soft. And then there we go. That's it. Your low bun went from being basic and boring to looking cute and intentional. But it was still super fast, super easy, super beginner friendly, and no matter your skill level, I'm confident that you can get this one done. That helps and gives you another fun, easy style for your thin, fine hair repertoire. And if you're a beginner, I hope that being successful with this one gives you the confidence to start trying some more complicated hairstyles in your hair, because I believe you can do it. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber here, because I would love to have you as part of my DIY hair school family and so you don't miss any of my content. Let me know in the comments if there's any videos you guys would like to see, or just say hey, because I love to hear from you guys. I will see you in the next video.